guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I just decided to walk around the street, but it's very cold and I forgot my glasses, so yeah, I'm just walking around, You see, this is Pyeongtaek and Yeongri at night. So yeah, I'm going back home, guys. Yo, it's fucking cold, it's freezing, and my voice since it was weekend, so as a bartender on weekends, so my voice is always like down almost every week because the screaming, when they play piano, I'll be like, oh god. Going to cross the road, as in South Korea you get fined, guys, for crossing the street just anywhere the road. You have to use the traffic lights, so yeah. And I'm holding my phone in my hand. I don't have gloves, so it's cold. It's really cold. It's freezing out here. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's freezing, guys. So this is 7-Eleven. Yeah. 7-Eleven. So 7-Eleven. So I'm heading to my. This place is so beautiful, guys. It's really beautiful. Like, you will love it here, especially on the weekend. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like, you just want to be outside in the street because the place is so beautiful, guys. Look at it. This is see you. Yeah, guys, look at my view. Oh my god, this place is beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Going back to my room. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that next time when I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Bye.